All over the country, lots of buildings have lots of pipes with water and gas meters attached to them. Now, in our building with a gas system set up like this one, this meter here is only transmitting its data directly to the utility companies, whether that's gas or water. This kind of meter does not allow you to capture that data and send it to your building's control system. You might want to know that data so that you can track your building's usage and costs and save money through conservation, or to protect the building and its tenants, from water leaks and gas leaks. Of course, you can purchase new meters that will capture that data for you, but in order to use them, you've got to cut into your existing water or gas pipes. That kind of installation can take a lot of time and cost a lot of money. Here's a better solution: Vata Verks. They make sensor kits that simply strap onto your existing meter, measure exactly and accurately what that meter is doing. Here's how it works. As water flows, the meter rotates, which creates an oscillating magnetic field. The Vata Verks probe detects the oscillating field and sends that signal to the sensor, which resolves the meter rotations and calculates flow. And then it integrates that data directly into your building monitoring or building management system.
Thanks, Alan.
Yeah. So you get whole building, real-time, high-resolution water and natural gas flow data with minimal installation time and without needing to call up a specialized contractor like a plumber or a fitter to do it for you. It's cheap and it's easy. Hard to argue with that. Vata Verks sensors are available with Modbus, Pulse, and a handful of other output protocols. Here's how to find them on alpscontrols.com.